Okay, he's coming in for his second landing. I just don't know if we can see you yet, but you're there. Looking good.
That's much better descent.
Good.
He didn't hesitate whenever he turned base to final.
Good. Second one's doing better, babe. Michael said so. You're coming in. There we see you. Just ease her down. You got it. Here we go. Almost there. And you're down. Woo! It's a little, that was good. You're down. Here we come. Woo! Very nice. One more to go. You're half over. Over halfway there. Excellent job. Just turning. There you are. So proud of my pilot. Okay. Looks like you're getting the all clear. We're going again. Third time's a charm. Come on. Woo! Got your own personal cheerleader, honey. Doing so good. You can do it. Come on. One more. Taxiing down. Another plane just took off. There you go.